Now think, when you have two algebraic fraction, right? Why we call this a algebraic fraction? Here you can see we have unknown letter, right? In this fraction also we have x as unknown letter. Here also we have unknown letter. So normally we call these a algebraic fraction. Here also. Now I got same two fraction, algebraic fraction. Here we have to add, here we have to subtract, right? When you have two algebraic fractions to add or subtract, that means between these two algebraic fraction, if you have plus sign or like this negative sign, minus sign, then what you have to do, it is same thing, but you have to do same denominator. Yeah, there we have some other method also, make the LCM like that, but I will show you making same denominator how to do it, right? Then when you have algebraic fraction, between them you have multiply or divide sign. That means you have to multiply that two fraction or divide. Then you use we not use this method. We don't need to make the same denominator, right? Here what we have to do, when we have this two fraction, now please check whether it's add to you have to add this two fraction or subtract. If you have to add this, then try to make same denominator. Now if you have already same denominator, then it's okay. Otherwise try to make same denominator. Here we can use as a rule, but now here's 3, no, you can make 6 here. How? This one multiplied by 2, then the numerator also you need to multiply by 2, right? So here we have two things to multiply in numerator, not only 2x, numerator. We have to multiply numerator. Numerator means completely this thing, right? This 2x plus 1. This all you need to multiply by 2. Here why I multiply by 2? Here 2 into 3 you can get 6. Here also you can get 6. How? This 2 you need to multiply by 3. Because in a fraction, numerator and denominator both you can multiply by the same value, so it's okay. You can multiply, that's a rule. So now you can say here 2 into 3 6, here also 2 into 3 6, you can get the same answer. So I don't need to write it, but I will show it again. Here 2 into 3 6. Now I need to multiply this both by 2, so 2 into 2x, it will be 4x. 2 into 2 4, no, 4x. 2 into 1, it will be just 2, and here again 6, and here x into 3 or 3 into x, it will be 3x. Now you have same denominator, you can see here same denominator, so that's why it's only one denominator, right? What you have to do, they tell to do here, you need to do that. But the 4x plus 2 here, and then plus this one, or the 3x, right? Then yeah, we can simplify now here further, so do it. But here you will have 4x plus 3x means 7x, right? 7x plus 2, those are like terms. Now 4x and 3x mean like terms, so you can add same letter. Now we have here 4x 3x, so 7x, and here plus 2. This is the simplified answer for this one, this two algebraic fraction. Okay, now when we have these two algebraic fraction, between them we have negative sign, that means we have to subtract here. Same procedure, but we need to do multiply this one by 2 to make same denominator, and this one also multiply by 2, and here you need to multiply by 3, here you need to multiply by 3. Look, same idea. Now here 2 into 3 6, so here actually you don't need to do this step, you can do directly from here to here. 2 into 2x, it will be 4x, right? And here 2 into plus 1, just 2, and here 6 again, and here x into 3 or 3 into x, 3x. Now you can see here same denominator you have, so write only one denominator, and then like terms simplify. Here 4x minus 3x, here this sign belong to actually this one, right? 4x minus 3x. So what the answer? 4x minus 3x mean you can think like 4 minus 3, so it will be just x, and here plus 2. These two is the these two are the like terms, but the 4x and 3x, so 4x minus 3x is, it will be x plus 2. So here is the simplified answer for these two. when you need to subtract here. So here basic idea you need to remember what the when you have algebraic fraction, two algebraic fraction, between them you have addition or subtraction. What you need to do? Make the same denominator and try to simplify. How to start to simplify? Like that. Make the same denominator and like that, right? And then after very carefully check here, we have minus sign, then by minus multiply this second fraction, this numerator, right? You can check my video. After this video I will put the video playlist. Click on that. You can find some past paper question with algebraic fraction how I did. So please check it. Then you can get the complete idea with the different situation, right? Not only this is the basic thing you need to remember. When you have two algebraic fraction, add or subtract between them, you have to make same denominator and try to simplify. Now think same like earlier. When you have two algebraic fraction, but between them when you have multiplication, right? Multiplication, here division, right? When you have multiplication and division, what we do? Now here basic idea, remember, when you have two algebraic fractions, between them what the sign you have, according to that you have to decide how to simplify it, right? That's the basic thing here. Now when you have to multiply here, it's okay, just multiply. But if you can cancel out something, do it and then multiply. Now for example, here y to y you can cancel out, because here how many y are then y? 1. How many y are then y? 1. Like that you can cut. And not only that, these two also you can cut, right? How many 2 are there in 4? It is 2. How many 2 are there in 6? It is 3, right? Now here your answer will be 2 into 1, just 2, and 3 into 3, 9. Here answer will be 2 over 9. It's like that, right? What you can cancel out, cut, and then get the what are the remaining thing, just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, multiply and get the answer. That's the idea. Now here when you have division, here also very simple idea. You know that we write the first algebraic fraction same way. What the 4 over 3y, 4 over 3y. Then this division sign we change to multiplication. Then you need to get the reciprocal of the second fraction. Second fraction you need to get the reciprocal. Reciprocal mean upside down. We change. Normally numerator go to denominator, denominator go to numerator. Like this we write. Now here y over 6. No, we write 6 over y. Like this. That's we call reciprocal. But very careful here. You must get the second fraction reciprocal, right? You have write second fraction reciprocal. Here division sign change to multiplication, and this one, second one, get the reciprocal. Upside numerator and denominator change. Now like we did earlier, like here we multiply, same way here you can do. What the here if you have something cut, cancel out, then remaining thing just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Now here we can cancel out this thing. What the how many 3 are there in 3? 1. How many 3 are there in 6? It is 2. And then after you have no anything to cancel out. So 4 into 2 it will be 8. Here 1 no, here y into y it will be y square. So here answer is this, right? Like that. Remember these are the basic thing regarding algebraic fraction. When you have two fraction, between them plus or minus sign, when you need to make the same denominator and simplify. When you have two algebraic fraction, between them if you have multiplication, just cancel out what the thing you can cancel out. Then after multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Here also when you have division, change to multiplication, second fraction get the reciprocal, and same way we did here multiplication, do it, cancel out and then multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, right? Okay. Now like we said earlier, please check the this algebraic fraction playlist. I will put a video playlist regarding algebraic fraction. Check those videos. you can find with the more question, difficult question with the algebraic fraction, which I saw from the past papers. So you can study more question from that video playlist.